Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by selecting a strong source. Use a custom audience with at least 1,000 people or a cleaned CSV of customers. This gives Facebook enough signal to model. Once you have access in Business Manager and your Pixel or SDK is linked, upload the file or choose the custom audience. Make sure identifiers are normalized, emails lowercased, phone numbers with country codes, because matching quality directly affects lookalike precision. Now, proceed to create the lookalike from that verified source. Once the source is ready, open Audiences and choose Create Lookalike. You must pick the source audience and one or more target countries. This dictates the pool Facebook scans. Next, select size. 1% yields the closest match, while larger percentages increase reach but reduce similarity, so balance similarity versus scale. If you have event-based data, pick a purchase or high-intent event to prioritize likely converters. Finally, confirm and let Facebook generate the audience. It typically takes up to 24-48 after generation. Use the lookalike in an ad set and apply layered targeting, placements, and bidding. This improves delivery. Once live, run a /B tests comparing 1% versus 3% or different source audiences and track CPA, ROAS, and match rate. If performance lags or match rate is low, check source quality first. Increase sample size, verify pixel events fired correctly, and ensure country settings align with your customers. If problems persist, recreate the source audience with refreshed data and relaunch the lookalike.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.